That's a great question. We have to be careful that we don't compare our journey to other people's journeys. I remember watching this guy go up for his first time and he killed the audience. And I had been doing it for a year and a half, working my butt off. And I asked Vinny the same question, my mentor. I said, how do you know who's going to make it? He said, that's easy, whoever keeps going. But there's an even better question or quote by Patricia Fripp. She says it this way, brilliant, makes me think. She said, tell me what you say you want and show me 1 week in your life. And you and I will both know if you're ever going to achieve that. Tell me what you say you want. Show me 1 week of your life, and you and I will both know if you'll ever achieve it. That's just so brilliant because we spend so much time. Oh, I'm busy. I got to watch Netflix. You know, time is such a huge issue. Do I have time? Well, do you want to be great or not? Like, I help serious people get where they want to go. If you're not serious, if you're not going to put any time, you're not going to get there. If you can't put aside at least an hour a week, think about it. Anybody who's world class, how do they train? You can't get a $10,000 speech. You can't like blow the audience away if you aren't willing to train for that. So think about your week, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours in serious learning and then serious applying of what you've learned. That's what matters. That's truly the power of it. So who's gonna make it? Do you have what it takes? Are you willing to be trained to be great? That's the question.